You always want what you can't have, and when you have it, you can't. I don't mind if you wanna go anywhere, I'll take you there. You can go if you wanna go anywhere.
So for this week's video, guys, I'm doing a fall makeup look. This is my wearable version of a look. I wanted it to be more wearable, but I just kind of got carried away while I was playing around. So if you guys want a more wearable look for fall, let me know and I can do that for you. Sorry, there's someone here fixing my air conditioning, but yeah, if you guys are interested in how I got this bronzy olive green look, just keep watching. So I'm gonna work on my face pretty fast. I will let you guys know the products I'm using and stuff like that. But I feel like my face is pretty much always the same, so I don't want to like spend too much time on it. Usually you guys see me use concealer, and today I'm going to be using the Becca Evermatte Shine Proof Foundation. Just a little different. So let me real quick go through the products I'm going to use. For my face, I'm going to start out with just the e.l.f. Pore Filling Primer, and then go in with the Becca Evermatte Foundation. And then I'm going to set my skin today with the Flower Beauty Satin Finishing Powder. Once that is all done, I'm just going to bronze a little bit. And I think today, I always use my Physicians Formula bronzer. I want to go a little different today. For bronzer today, I'm going to go a little wild and use the Nars. This is the Laguna and Casino, like a little bronze duo. So I'm going to use this one. And then these ones are both matte. And then I'm going to go in after that with the Nars Sunwash Diffusing Bronzer. This one is in Laguna. I'm going to go on with this after just because this one has a little bit like a sheen almost to it, just to give my skin a little bit more of a glow. And then my e.l.f. Always Rosy Blush. I don't know what I'm going to do for highlighter. So many options. I have 3 highlighters out here. Once I get to that point, I'll let you guys know. But I'm going to go rush. I'm just going to go through my face makeup, kind of fast forward that for you guys, and then we'll move on to the actual interesting part, which is going to be my eyes.
Still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it. Well, how do you know how you feel?
So, just real quick, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which I'm not there yet, but yeah. I'm just going to take, mix together the Laguna and the Casino shades of my bronzer and just go a little bit in my crease, nothing too crazy, but just to add a little bit of depth, and then I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face.
Everything changes. Where will I go? Will you be? How will I know? How do you know?
So I think I forgot to mention, I haven't had air conditioning for 3 days now. I'm currently dying. I'm sitting in front of a window. Everything is sweating. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to take another shower before I go to bed. I'm just like, I'm disgusted. Well, let's move on to my eyes. I have so much texture on my skin lately. It's like terrible. But it's there, so. And I didn't want to do your typical orangey brown type of like fall look, which that's fine if you do that. And I love those looks, but I wanted to do something a little bit out of my comfort zone and maybe out of your guys' comfort zone. I don't know. So we're going to be doing something more olivey. I'm going to be using 3 eyeliners at this very moment. I might add a few later, but so far these are the ones I'm going to go with. I have the Pixi and Silky eye pen in Copper Glow and in Sage Gold. So I have these 2 from Pixi, and then I might go in with this Jelly Pong 2-in-1 eyeliner in Shadow. It doesn't have a shade on it. I think I'm going to go in with this one first. I'm just going to kind of pop this all over my lid and kind of blend it out with my finger. You guys can use a brush if you want, but I know it's going to blend better with my finger just with the warmth of my hands. So I don't want this to be super crazy pigmented. I don't want this to be a super harsh look. I want it to be somewhat wearable, so not going like crazy crazy. So I figured it would be easier for me to blend it onto my eye. I just kind of rubbed it onto my palm because it's a little bit drier than what I like right now. Alright, so that's majority blended out. I'm just going to lightly go on my crease with just a clean brush just to make sure nothing is too harsh. So now that I have that nice wash just all over my eyes, and it's so pretty, like there's a slight luminosity to it, so it just looks very pretty. So now that I have that, I'm just going to go in right now with the, the Pixi brown copper gold, I think that's what it was called, copper glow pencil, and go on my waterline and just kind of smoke it outward onto my lower lash line. There, and then just a little smudger brush. This is from the Vintage Company. I love smoky looks for fall. I don't know what it is. I can get closer now. I just love smoky stuff for fall. And this pencil has really beautiful like gold glitter in it too. Alright, now you guys could leave it like this if you wanted to, but like I said, I want green right now, and I know green would look really pretty with my eyes. So I'm going to take the Sage Gold pencil from Pixi, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow. I'm just going to go right on my lids with this, and these blend out really beautifully, so just paint it on a little bit. And then again with my finger, just like we did with that first color. But I want to keep this a little bit more focused on my lid, and I'm going to go in until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. So if you guys want it to be more of a kind of wash of green, you could leave it just like this. But if you want a little bit more of a pop of green, you can set that eyeliner with a green shadow. And I'm just going to use the one from Butter London. I think this is called their Natural palette. Yeah, Natural Goddess palette. And I'm going to take the shade Star, which is this pretty little green shade. And again with my finger, because I'm all about like easy and quick looks. And I'm just going to go in and set that. And then taking that brush that I used before, and I'm going to take a little bit of my bronzer back in my crease and just blend out any edges. Alright, so I'm going to go do that on this eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to do my lashes off camera because you don't need to see my ugly mascara face, but I'm going to take the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This one is in deep brown, and just brush it through my brows. And then for my lips, I'm actually going to mix together two colors. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever, and this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. So I'm just going to, I have a little bit of lip balm on, but it's nothing crazy. I'm just going to dot on like one little dot of each. And pat it out with my finger. And it's a little too orange, so I'm going to go back in with the Verona like nudie shade. Okay, so I'm going to apply my mascara off camera. I'm going to use the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara, and then we'll come back. Alright, so my mascara is on my lashes today. Like, I'm just not in the mood. It's too hot. It's way too hot, you guys. I'm sweating so bad. Not to be gross, but I am sweating so bad. So I'm going to go finish off my hair so you don't have to look at this wet dog anymore, and I'll be back. Alright, so I look a little bit bald, and there's actually someone here right now to fix our air conditioner. Hopefully it gets fixed because I'm going to die. Pretty simple. I will zoom you in a bit to show you everything. So that's it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm stressed out now because there's someone here and I feel weird talking. My hair is terrible. I'm getting my hair cut really soon, and it's bad. I don't even know what it's doing anymore. I'm going through that phase of my hair where my hair doesn't like any product. So that's pretty much all, I think. yeah, so that's it. Let me know what your go-to fall color is. I love greens in fall. I just feel like it looks good on my skin and with my eyes and everything. So, yeah. What kind of color do you like to go for fall? And yeah, my Instagram will be down below if you guys are interested in seeing more pictures of this look or other fall looks. I will have some on my Instagram, so you guys can check that out. It will be down below. Yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. And I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye!